you get to watch me play on the roof for a while. Today's project is replacing a lot of my screws, like all of them if I can. I'm gonna be going through and changing out all these washer screws. I picked up a whole ton of these at Menards while I was there. So let's let's eliminate some of these leaks. Some magnetic bits would have been nice. All right, I didn't have any sealer, so I'm just gonna mark them for now and come back and hit them later, hopefully before it snows. Well, I got this half done. I don't know how long that took, but it wasn't too bad, pretty easy. Should have probably did this right when we first moved in and realized that the shop was leaking. Found a bunch of spots that need some sealer, so I still have this whole side to deal with, but I'll get that one of these days this week, and maybe I'll come back up, caulk these while I'm up here, get the gutters cleaned up too, and go from there. So now we go inside because it's getting dark out. It's like 4 o'clock, you know, it's dark time. It's terrible. Day 2, roof patching. All right, let's get after it. It's almost dark out. You know, it's like 4 o'clock, so let's try and get this dealt with. Got my bucket of goodies, and I'm headed up right now. Let's go. I was smart and I labeled all of them. Halfway. Will I do it before it's dark? I don't know. We'll see. Enough talk. Or make screws in. All right, that's enough for tonight. It's dark out now. Till tomorrow, day 3. So at least I got a pretty good majority of this. I'll finish up this last little bit tomorrow when it's a little bit lighter out. Plus I'm hungry. So, cool. All right, almost done. Last day, getting screws put on the roof. I've been dodging raindrops and snow, just like I said I wasn't gonna have to. And today it's pretty nice out, so I'm gonna try and get these last couple screws in the roof, and another one off the list of things to get done before it snows. All right. Screws are all replaced. All done. All of them. So this is easy. These things go bad. This barn's built in the early 80s, so they're all due. I mean, to be honest, my tin is getting pretty rough in general. It's getting pretty rusty, but it's gonna be good enough for now. Maybe at some point, build a bigger barn, like that much taller. Be nice to have like a 16-foot wall. That'd be cool. I'd be good with that. But all right, well, do work yourself. Be safe doing it. Don't fall off. If you don't feel comfortable, then pay somebody else. This was easy. I will say, this made life a lot easier. I tethered my buckets to a magnet, so you know, they couldn't like run away too far off of the barn. I should have been tethered myself, but I don't know. Just be safe. Do reasonably safe things. There's my camera rig, so you know, it's doable even to make a YouTube video out of. But all right, well, that's it for this one. At least I didn't have to shovel snow off of this thing to do it, and hopefully there'll be less puddles inside my shop, and now I can stick some insulation to the ceiling. So hopefully I'll have a nice warm barn this winter. Unlikely, but one thing at a time.